a mere decade ago, Volkswagen was a car company that happened to have a few SUVs, the Touareg and the first-gen Tiguan, and they just weren't the right SUVs slash crossovers for this country. Fast forward to today, and 83% of all new VWs sold in America are one of the three crossovers, the Taos, which we reviewed a few months ago, the Tiguan, and the Atlas that you see here. This is an all-new Atlas, the second generation, so it's been facelifted. It's got an all-new interior. It still comes in two variants, the traditional and the sport, which is obviously a little sportier and a little smaller inside. So they kept the two models, but they've updated the powertrains. As you can see, all new front fascia with the lit up logo. Looks pretty sharp. So we look forward to getting behind the wheel of this later this year. I'm Ron Doran. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Driver's Seat.